Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Begin by locating the Ethernet port on your gaming laptop. Many laptops have a full-size RJ45 port behind a small door, while thin models need a USB Ethernet adapter. Check the adapter type and plug compatibility before proceeding. Choose a Cat5e or Cat6 cable for reliable 1 Gbps performance. Use a cable around 10 feet for flexible placement. Inspect the connector clip for damage. Turn off Wi-Fi to force the wired connection and avoid IP conflicts. Firmly align the RJ45 connector with the laptop port and push until it clicks. If your model needs a USB Ethernet adapter, plug it into a USB 3.0 port for optimal throughput. Power on the laptop and wait for the adapter to initialize. Open network settings and look for the Ethernet interface. Leave the interface on DHCP for automatic IP assignment in most home networks. Assign a static IP when your router requires a specific address for gaming. After connecting, run an internet speed test to confirm throughput and latency. A gigabit LAN should approach 1 Gbps on a wired connection with a good modem. Run a ping test to your game server and record average latency and packet loss. Aim for ping under 20 milliseconds for competitive gaming. Close background programs that consume upload bandwidth before playing online. Configure router quality of service to prioritize your gaming device for consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.